What's good, people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into the video, I'd like to please request everyone to like, comment, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff, because that always supports the channel. It will help me a lot. Let's get the subscribers up, the numbers up, the views up. I'm actually criminally underrated, so that's annoying, very, very annoying. But yeah, people, as the winter months have started, it's tracksuit season really. So I've got a whole bunch of tracksuits I need to review, show everyone what they look like, how they feel, what the fit's like, all that good stuff. So another one of the tracksuits is the Nike Therma Fit. I believe it's called Nike Nvlty Therma Tracksuit, something along those lines. I'm just gonna call it the Therma Tracksuit, even though it's not Therma, as those are slightly different, but we move. I bought this tracksuit like 3 weeks ago and I really wanted to do a video for it, but I didn't. I ended up just wearing it, so there's no tags on the tracksuit just because I wore it. But I kept saying to myself, nah, I need to review it because it's like a serious tracksuit. It's so good. Like, I really, really like this tracksuit. So the joggers, they feature a kind of woven pocket, it's proper nice, and then a woven back pocket like a tech fleece. It's a zip, to put all your stuff in. The other side is also a woven pocket with the Nike tick, and then the whole rest of the joggers are literally a Therma. So Nike Therma is like a fleece on the inside, so it's literally fleece joggers. Proper warm. I'm telling you for free, I was sweating in these. That's how warm they are. Like, they keep you warm. So if you stay, like, if you're really cold in the winter, like I do, like I get cold a lot, the Therma range is for you, man. I'll be honest, the Therma range is for you. You need Therma joggers, you need the Therma top as well, because they do say Therma fit on them. It's actually sewn in, so that's good quality stuff. You can get the sweatshirt, however I opted for like the zip up, slightly like a bomber jacket vibe. So it's got zip there, and what I always love when something has a pocket on the arm, so like bomber jackets and stuff, CP company have, the zip pockets with the little lens zip and stuff. I really like it. I won't use it, but it just looks good on like a bomber jacket, a sweatshirt, etc. One thing that annoyed me is this tick is black and the one on the joggers is white. I don't know why they would have done that. It doesn't go, and it's just annoying. I don't like it. Like, the way it looks, it's kind of annoying. And another thing that annoyed me about the joggers, but the thing is I'll look past because they look nice when they're worn, is this. I don't really like this cuff, to be honest, but I appreciate the joggers for what they are. If they had this cuff, I would be like so much happier with this cuff. So it's like, it's not stretchy, but it's a good cuff. Like, it's a solid cuff. This one is kind of stretchy, but I prefer this over this any day. Even on the bottom, what I like on the hoodie, they have the normal cuff, and it is double zip, even though I never know the reason behind the double zip, to be honest. I never know why they do that, but I really like the color of this tracksuit. I really want them to release another one like different colors, like plain black, plain grey, etc. I'll actually use the double zip feature just to show everyone what it looks like on the inside, because that's the most important bit. So it's like a fleece, very soft, very warm. For the winter months, I love it. So I'm happy that, it's a bit different to all the regular hoodies and all that stuff. because you know when you're wearing a puffer jacket or if you're wearing a jacket on top, sometimes too many hoods can get annoying. So this, you can just wear a jacket on top and you're fine, even a body warmer, whatever. But definitely keeps you warm. I'm talking, you'll sweat. You actually sweat. Like I was sweating in this. Quality. I got this actually a decent price. So the whole tracksuit was around £80. If we just divide that by 2, it's £40 for the top and 40 for the bottoms. These days for quality tracksuits and stuff, you can't really, pay that much. Like Tech Fleece is £200. This you can buy 2.5 for the same amount as one Tech Fleece. You know what I mean? And plus, it keeps you warm. And what is slightly annoying, so on the annoying side, is that obviously because it's Therma, that the designs are so nice. I love them, but you won't be able to wear them in like warmer months. So sometimes you might get a tracksuit and you're able to wear it in the winter and the summer. Not the summer like a tracksuit, but like summer when it's not too hot. This you'll be baking in, because if it's like 15 degrees outside, 16 degrees outside now, and I'm sweating in them, you're definitely gonna sweat in this in the summer months. So that's one annoying thing. However, I do wish Nike does release similar stuff, so I'll buy it for autumn or different months. But definitely for the winter, for the colder months, this is like, I'd say, one of the best tracksuits, best value tracksuits to buy for the winter, easily, hands down. The fit is quite good. So I go large top, XL bottoms as always. So I kept to my true Nike size. Fits perfect. Looks quite nice. Arms aren't too long. The length isn't too long. Joggers as well look quite good. Like I was quite surprised how good it looked. I kept looking in the mirror like, yeah, no, this doesn't look too bad. But yeah, people, tell me if you like them, if you don't like the tracksuits, if you rate them, if you hate them, all that good stuff. What I'll also do is I'll try to get, again, no promises, I'll try to get a few shots of what it looks like worn. Again, I do need to set that up. I need to find a good place and all that stuff. So hopefully I do find a location and I'm able to set that up. But if you have any questions or anything about that, if you want me to recommend anything, just let me know and I'll definitely do my best to help you out. As always, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Keep showing support. Thanks for watching. And the most important thing is, take care, people.